To all those celebrating Losar here in America, across the Himalayan region, and around the globe, Losar Tashi Dalek. We're proud to host so many Tibetan friends and partners at the State Department on this special day, members of an extraordinarily vibrant and resilient Tibetan community around the world. The ability of people to practice their own faith, speak their own language, celebrate their own customs, is a fundamental human right. Each Losar, even as Tibetans joyfully gather with family, decorate altars, enjoy traditional treats, we're reminded of the pressing need to uphold these freedoms. The United States remains committed to advancing Tibetans' human rights, especially in the face of intimidation and repression. Together with the Tibetan community, we're working to preserve Tibetans' distinct linguistic, cultural, and religious heritage. Through the leadership of Undersecretary Zaya, we're deepening international support for Tibet, from addressing humanitarian needs to protecting the environment on the Tibetan plateau. Of course, much work remains. For as long as it does, the United States will be your partner in working to advance Tibetan issues. People born in the year of the wood dragon are believed to be full of energy, ambition, and a drive to make the world better. May that spirit continue to animate our collective efforts to safeguard the rights and the heritage of all Tibetans. On behalf of the United States, I wish you a very Happy New Year.